Hi, hello, good morning students. Welcome to the second part of GST chapter. So in the first part we learn what is meant by GST and how to find out GST and all. In that GST, two are important thing is intra-state. Next one is inter-state. You have to mind these 2 points are very important in GST chapter. Intra-state means within the state. That means goods supply from within the state. Interstate means state to state. So interstate means state to state. In this intrastate, we are finding CGST and SGST, that is central GST and state GST. In this interstate means you have to find out integrated GST, that is IGST. These are very important. So now we go through problems, then you will easily understand what is intrastate and interstate. First problem. Exercise 1A. For the following transaction, within Delhi, fill the blanks. To find the amount bill. Here they are given MRP is equal to rupees 12,000 rupees. Discount percentage they are given. Discount percentage, that is 30%. GST they are given percentage, that is 18%. So we have to find here discount. First we have to find discount, and after selling price. Third one CGST. Fourth one SGST. Fifth one they are asking IGST, and amount of bill we have to find. In this one 6 we have to find out. So in this one first we have to find discount. So they are given MRP is 12,000, discount is 30%. 30% is 30 divided by 100 into what is MRP? 12,000. 2020 get cancelled. 2020 get cancelled. If we multiply 120 into 30, 3,600. What is discount price? 3,600. If you want to selling price means after discount, how much is discount? 3,600. So if you want selling price means MRP rupees 12,000 minus 3,600. 3,600, that is 8,400. In MRP you can minus discount value, then you will get selling price value. For this one you can do another method also for selling price or discount value. After how much it is discount, that is discount value and selling price both are same. So if they are given 30% discount means for discount value you can 100 you can subtract 30, that is 70 into 100. into what is MRP here? 12,000. 2020 get cancel. If you multiply here, you will get 20 and 12 sevens are how much? 84. 84. That means either you can find selling price or discount value like this, or another method is to find. This is very useful for solving further problems. So if you want to find selling price means here discount price is 30. 100 minus 30 is 70%. So 70 divided by 100 into MRP. If you do like this means you will get the selling price or discount value. Next, the transaction, the goods are supplied in one state, within a state, that is intra-state. So that's why you can find CGST and SGST. Here GST is 18%. So it divide into 9% and 9%. This is for CGST, this is for SGST. So that the GST is divided into two. That is, one half is go to central government, another half will go to state government. CGST 9% is 9 into 100. Now you have to take this selling price value. So we have to calculate GST on this selling price. 8,400 0 9 fours are 36 3 9 8s are 72 plus 3 75 756. So SGST also same. You will get 756 because both are same, equally divided. For equal, one share goes to central government, another one goes to state government. So IGST, in this case of intrastate, IGST now, that is nil. So only IGST we are calculated in interstate. Okay, now total amount of bill. So what is selling price? 8,400 plus GST 756 plus central GST and SGST 756. If you add all those things, you will get 9,912. 9,912. So I hope you understand how to solve this problem. First you find discount. What is the discount price? Discount price. After finding discount price, selling price you can find out. Selling price, two methods you can use to find out very clearly. Otherwise MRP and discount. What is the discount figure is there, you can subtract, you will get selling price. If you don't want, if you go for directly find out means discount is 30. In 100, 30 will go means 70%. 70 divided by 100 into 12,000 means directly you can find out selling price here. So most of the problems we are using this method because it will take 2 steps extra. You can go this only one step, we can finish it. After finding CGST, SGST, GST 18% divide into 2 parts, 9% and 9%. So find CGST and SGST. IGST is nil because of intrastate transaction. Total amount of bill, that is selling price is 8,400 and add these two GSTs. So you will get 9,912. In the second problem, for the following transaction from Delhi to Jaipur. Delhi to Jaipur means it is interstate. So one state to another state. Here no CGST and SGST are finding. That's why in these two cases nil. We are not finding CGST and SGST in interstate. Okay. Fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. MRP is 50,000, discount is 20%, GST is 28%. For discount, 20% means 20 divided by 100 into 50,000 MRP. You can cancel these two. 500 into 20 you can multiply, you will get 10,000, right? 10,000 you will get. That is discount, not discount value. That is discount on MRP. So that means selling price is, you can find two methods as I shown in first problem. You can subtract 50,000 minus 10,000, you will get 40,000. That is selling price. After customer getting discount of 10,000 on MRP, so selling price of the dealer is 40,000. So either you can find another method. Here discount is 20%, means 100 minus 20, 80. 80 divided by 100, another method. So discount MRP is 50,000. 2,000 get cancelled. If you multiply this, you will get exactly 40,000. Two methods we are using. As I showed in first column, this method is very important, not this method. CGST and IGST are nil. So IGST, you have to find 28%. 28 divided by 100 into 40,000. 20 get cancelled. So IGST is 11,200. 11,200 multiply, then total amount of bill is, here selling price is 40,000 plus 11,200 is equal to 51,200. 51,200 is the final amount of bill. Here no need to divide CGST and SGST of GST because of interstate transaction here. Interstate means you have to find integrated GST and find the total amount of bill at the final. Yes. Third problem. A computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing cost from 5 different persons A, B, C, D and E. Find the certain discount. With certain discount they are given. The repairing cost and corresponding discount given below. So we have to find the total money received by mechanic. Total money received by mechanic if the rate of GST is 18%. GST is 18%. So here within the state, that is intrastate. So intrastate means you have to find CGST and IGST on the total bill. So here different persons there. So this mechanic repair the A and B, C, D, E of computers, and repairing cost of this and all is 5,500, 6,250 for B, for C 4,800, D 7,200 of discount 20%, E 3,500 of discount 40%. Now we want to find selling price of discounted value. Both are same. So in first problem, first we have to find discount amount and then subtract. So we are using two steps in that one. Here we reduce one step, directly find selling price. So if they are given 30% discount means for 5,500 per person A, in 100, 30 will go means for 70, 100 into 5,500. You can cancel these two. So what is the value you are getting? So if you multiplied 70 into 55, so it will get 3,850. Directly I am writing. You can multiply with 7 5 are 35, 3 7 are 35, 380. You will get correct answer. So for this 40% means 60 for discounted value if you find out. 40 means in 100, 40 if you less than 60. into 6250. 1010 get cancelled, 1010 get cancelled. If you multiply 625 into 6 means you will get 3750. Multiply 6 5s are 30, 0, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, 5, 1, 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37. You get same. 30% means 70 divided by 100 into 4800. You can cancel these two. So if you multiply 70 into 48, so you will get 5760. 5760. If you multiply, 20 is the discount. So that is discount value is of 120 will go means 80%, 7200. If you cancel these two, multiply 80 into 72, you will get, sorry, this is 3360. 3360, this is 5760. And this discounted price 60 divided by 100 into 3500. If you cancel these two means you will get the answer is 2100. Then you can find the total amount. Add all 3850, 3750, 3360, 5760 and 2100. You will get 18,820. 18,820. Now, if you want to find money received by mechanic means you have to find CGST and IGST. So for CGST, I'm rubbing the board here. I'll do here. So GST is what? 18%. Yes, 18%. We have to divide CGST 9%. SGST 9%. 9 divided by 100 into 18,820. 0 get cancelled. If you do multiplication and the answer is 1693.8. For same also do calculations. Same. So that is total amount received by mechanic is 18,820 plus both add the GST. The total amount is 22,207.6 received by the mechanic, and this CGST will go to central government. The SGST will go to central government. If you go for any shopping mall, you purchase in that bill, they show CGST and SGST separately. They divided. So this is the type of problem we are going to solve in this GST. Next problem. Find the amount of bill for interstate transaction of goods and service of GST is 5%. Here also I am taking one interstate problem. The last problem also interstate problem. Only in case of interstate problem we are finding CGST and SGST. So here discounted price they are given, MRP of each product they are given, here number of quantity of items are they given. So first we find the total cost of wholesale total cost of wholesale quantity you have to find first. So that means here number of items and each item values you have to multiply. If you multiply 18 into 150, you will get 2700. 2700. If you multiply 24 into 240, you will get 5760. 5760. If you multiply 30 into 100, you will get 3000. Then 12 into 120, multiply 1440. Now we can find the selling price or discounted value on this wholesale quantity, total cost of wholesale quantity. Here discount is 10%, means here what happened? 90 divided by 100 into 2700. 2020 get cancelled. If you multiply 90 into 27, you will get 2430. 2430 of first quantity after discount we are selling. The total cost is 2700. So after discount we are selling 2430. Same for 20% here discount, that is 80 divided by 100 into 5760. 1010. If you multiply 8 into 5 and 76, you will get 4608. 4608 rupees we are getting. So here total wholesale cost is 3000. Here discount is 30%. Discounted value 100 minus 30 is 70 into 3000. 2020 get cancelled. If you multiply 2100, you will get 2100. Then 80%, here 20 is that, 100 minus 20, 10, 10, 10, 10. So after cancelling this, you will get 1152. So after that, you have to calculate the total amount. So that means add 2430, 4608, 2100, and this 1152 will get 10,290. Add all this, and next you find GST. This is intra statements. You have to find CGST and SGST. CGST means 5% means divide into half means 2.5 divided by 100 into. So what is total figure? 1010 get cancelled. After you are doing calculation and all, you will get 257.25. 257.25. So next for CGST also you will get same. 1010 you can cancel here. So you get 257.25. Add these two amount of taxes. So you will get 514.5. 514.5. Then total amount is equal to 290 plus what is the total amount of CGST and SGST? 514.5 is equal to, the total figure is 10,804.5 is the answer. So this is the answer for the question. Next problem. Find the amount of bill for the following interstate transaction, goods and service. The rate of GST is 18%. Here interstate. Interstate means only we are finding integrated GST, that is IGST. So no need to find CGST and SGST for interstate, means state to state here. So here they are given number of items, quantity, MRP of each items. First we find the total cost of items. Total cost of items. If you multiply 35 into 420, you will get 14,700. Multiply 47 into 600, you will get 28,200. And 20 into 35, you will get 7,000. 7,000. So now we have to find selling price or discounted value. Discounted value. Here discount percentage 10% means discounted value if you find means 90 divided by 100, because in 100 10 will goes means 90 by 100 into 14,700 is the total cost. Can cancel. What is the answer? 90 into 147. That you will get 13,230 rupees. After discount, you have to pay 13,230. Next is 10% is again 90 divided by 100, 28,200, 2 zeros, 2 zeros cancel. If you multiply 90 into 282, you will get 25,380. 25,380. So 0 you can write 9 2s are 18, 9 8s are 72 plus 173, 7, 9 2s are 18 plus 7, 25, correct. 25,380. Next for discount here 20% is given, that's why 80 divided by 100 into 7,000, 2020 get cancelled. If you multiply 0 0 56, 5,600. If you add this amount, this amount, this amount, total is, if you add all those things, 44,210. 44,210. Now we have to find IGST. After finding total amount of bill, you find IGST, that is 18%, means 100 into 44,210. 10 10 get cancelled. 2 5s are, 2 9s are. So if you divide, you will get the GST amount is 7,957.8. The total amount is 44,210 plus 7,957.8. If we add these two, 52,167.8. For interstate, to find, directly go to IGST, find. So the tax amount you add with total amount after the discounted price, then you will find out the amount of value, total amount of value. Like this, many problems are there in your textbook in exercise 1A. Please sit and solve and complete the exercise about interstate and intrastate. Thank you for watching.